Hello everybody. Today my semicircle is glued up and now I need some chisel to give it needed shape. But first need to check. Of course it's too big, but I made this reserve for processing with this chisel. This chisel also too big. Let's take this one. It's strong enough, but I think additional support make no harm. Okay, this moment is finished, and as you can see, I can get workstation of any size with the help of different sizes of Systainers. And now I am thinking about tabletop rail system. I don't want to use previous one. It works well, but I don't want to use it a second time. I need to invent something new, something more original. I'm in process of thinking. And now still I'm thinking I will make cart for this Systainer system. And some people ask me, when you will paint it? We need to see the real pastel colors. Just now. Okay, let it dry and I need to go to work. Thank you for watching. Good luck.